In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Ads, a comprehensive tutorial specifically tailored for beginners. We'll walk you through the essential steps to set up your first campaign and ensure you're ready to start attracting new customers and selling more with online advertising. First, you'll want to navigate to the Google Ads homepage. This is your starting point for accessing a vast array of advertising tools that Google offers. You'll find that Google Ads is designed to help you reach potential customers right when they're searching for products or services that you offer. A simple search can make a significant difference, so it's worth taking the time to familiarize yourself with this platform. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to click on Sign In. This link is usually towards the top right corner of the page. If you already have a Google account, you can proceed directly. But if you're completely new, setting up a Google account is your first step before you dive into the ads world. It's straightforward, you just need to follow the on-screen instructions to create one. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads homepage. This dashboard is your control center. It's where you start crafting your campaigns, monitoring their performance, and adjusting settings as necessary to achieve optimal results. It's important to keep an eye on this dashboard as it provides powerful insights into how your ads are performing. From here, you'll want to click on Campaigns. It's typically located in the navigation menu on the left side of your screen. Selecting this option enables you to view all existing campaigns and initiate new ones. Now, let's create a new campaign. Look for the New Campaign button. It's usually found on the Campaigns page. When you click it, Google provides various types of campaign goals based on what you want to achieve, whether it's driving traffic, generating leads, or increasing sales. Each option has its own specific tools and settings, so take your time to choose one that aligns with your business objectives. Next, it's crucial to set up your Google Ads account. This involves entering essential details about your business, specifying your target audience, and choosing where you'd like your ads to appear. This configuration might seem intricate, but it's a vital step in reaching the right customers at the right time. Lastly, don't forget to input your billing information. This ensures your ad campaigns can run smoothly without interruptions. Google Ads charges vary based on your goals and budget, so it's smart to review the pricing options and decide on a budget that suits your marketing plans. And that wraps up our tutorial for today. By following this guide, you will be well on your way to mastering Google Ads, helping you connect with customers and grow your business effectively. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions.